700 horsepower, 940 newton meters of torque and 300 kilometers an hour, electronically limited in respect for the tires. This powerhouse has the impressive name Brabus B63s 700 Wide Star. The noble tuner from Bottrop in Germany has taken the Mercedes GL63 AMG under its wing. Through fender flares front and rear, the GL grows 8 centimeters in width. The fenders make room for 23-inch king-size wheels. The aerodynamics are adapted to the enormous speed. For the front axle, the Brabus designers have developed an additional front spoiler. As an aerodynamic counterpart at the rear, there is the rear spoiler. To keep up with the imposing exterior, the interior needs to be refined accordingly. The bespoke interior is created in their own saddlery. Each individual customer is satisfied. Only the finest materials such as leather and Alcantara are used. Whether quilted patterns or special top stitching, the imagination of the customers holds no limits. As an attractive addition to this, there is also fine wood and real carbon interiors in any color. In addition, various surface refinements. The heart lies, of course, under the hood, a 5.5-liter V8 twin-turbo engine. With a professional tuning performance, at least 143 horsepower plus is achieved compared to the series GL. Brabus installed a special turbocharger with larger compressor unit, for example, which produces more boost pressure. In addition, the normal ceramic catalyst is replaced by a zero-pressure lowering metal catalysator system with 75mm thick downpipes. For better sound, there is a stainless steel sports exhaust with flat pump control, which one can set loud or quiet. The 2.5-ton all-wheel SUV requires just 4.6 seconds for the sprint from 0 to 100. This much power comes at a price. The production model GL63 AMG already costs more than 130,000 euros. For the refined version, ambitious customers pay almost double.